Good evening, and thank you for allowing me to present our library media program to you tonight. I am Jean Stelchek, the library media specialist for all 7 schools within our school district of Marshfield. I'm here tonight to share the value and purpose of the library, our vision and goals for our library media centers, and why the library position and library staff matter to our district. Our libraries of today do not resemble the libraries of the past. I remember going to the library as an elementary and middle school student to check out books and being told in high school that, quote, if you talk, you will be out for a fortnight. And that meant being kicked out for 2 weeks, not playing a video game as students would assume today. No longer do we need to go through a card catalog, one card at a time, hoping we find that book we need for class. We have access to an online catalog for ease in searching for materials. Unfortunately, as a child, I was not able to go to the public library or experience reading programs and other activities such as those promoted through our libraries today. I am the oldest of 5 children. My father worked in a factory and my mom was a homemaker. And living 15 minutes out of town with only one vehicle did not make for many trips to town other than grocery shopping. Like many adults, they did not utilize their library or understand how important it is for their children. I am sure there are many families where parents did not have a very good experience in their education or visits to their school library. Times have changed, and so have our libraries. We are here to promote literacy, inquiry, and access to all students and create lifelong learners. As our students enter the Library Media Center, they experience not only a place where books are kept, but also a place for acceptance. I remember being told many times in high school to put that book away because I would get into the story and want to read all day. Our libraries offer a wide collection of titles and resources to help students experience multiple genres and provide access to multiple resources they may not have available to them at home. The School District of Marshfield's mission is to provide an environment which cultivates maximum student potential. Our LMC provides a key role in achieving this mission by providing student resources, access to information, skills needed to empower them towards excellence. Our LMC also offers valuable professional development for staff so that they can empower themselves, which will also empower their students. Our library media's mission is to build a community of readers and leaders, and the LMC's goals align with the district's. They are accomplished by providing a library staff which aims to create motivated, independent readers and learners within our schools by supporting a culture of literacy throughout the district, serving as an intellectual and social space for students and teachers where they can gather ideas, share exchanges, and learn together, and fostering a learning center for all students, staff, and community. In order to accomplish these goals, our students and staff have access to a wide collection of print and digital resources. Each of our schools' libraries collections average over 15,585 titles, over 650 ebooks, and we are adding new titles each month to our collection. The LMC staff displays our monthly new books, special featured books, and these fly off the shelves for student checkout. By updating our collection and weeding out poorly circulated or outdated texts, our students can find books to read and enjoy while entering the LMC. Our 7 library media centers are highly utilized by our over 3,800 patrons, including 64 kindergarten through 6th grade weekly class visits for library activities, lessons, and book checkout at all the elementary schools. Within the first 2 months of school this year, the elementary school's average was 758 titles checked out weekly from our collections. This supports a culture of literacy for our district, which would not be possible without these collections of print and digital materials in our school library media centers. The LMC also promotes digital and information literacy through digital databases and digital citizenship lessons, as it is truly important our students learn to disseminate information located on the internet. As we move forward toward a future-ready library, one of our LMC's future-ready goals includes serving as an intellectual and social space for students and teachers by providing students with a makerspace. A makerspace allows students to foster inquiry and learning by enhancing instruction through exploration, information literacy, and curriculum collaboration. In our LMCs, students are learning to gather ideas, locate resources, share and evaluate different points of view, and apply information to become productive citizens by learning together. Each month, especially at the elementary level, these students' weekly activities and topics include literacy, STEM and makerspace, and digital citizenship. The final goal of the Library Media Center is to provide a learning center for our district students, staff, and community. Many community collaborations already occur within the LMC, and just to name a few, they include book fairs, officer-friendly, firefighter presentations, and different community events, such as a bridge night. Our library staff is vital to the function of our district. Our LMC staff work hard daily to ensure students have the ability to select a good book, which they are excited to read, organize and display books, create exciting displays that promote student interest and library topics. Our students are not afraid to ask for assistance and look forward to visiting the LMC each week. The LMC provides a place to dream and imagine and learn to escape with a good book. The involvement of the PTO with our annual book fair is proof that we promote a love of reading through the school and the community. The book fairs bring families, students, and staff together while celebrating an excitement for reading and giving back to our schools. Our Library Media Center celebrates and participates in many literacy events, such as Battle of the Books, Read Across America with Dr. Seuss, book awards such as the Caldecott and Newbery Winners, and other ALA library celebrations to promote literacy and lifelong learning. Our students learn to appreciate books and how to care for them at their very first library class. With our district's technology plan, we are able to implement video and sound such as authors reading their books, digital citizenship lessons, and even the Dewey Decimal System wrap into weekly visits. The addition of a makerspace will allow further use and collaboration between the LMC and the technology department. Technology will continue to evolve, and lifelong learning is essential. Research from the American Library Association has shown that libraries play a huge role in assisting people in learning about new technologies. Libraries collect, create, and disseminate essential information and ensure users access and the ability to create their own digital content. Research from the American Association of School Libraries has found that school librarians play a critical role in providing individual assistance and training to teachers, collaboration with teachers and staff, and providing key professional development. The 2018 National School Library Standards for Learners, School Librarians, and School Libraries enable librarians to tailor activities to meet the interests and needs of the students while meeting state curriculum requirements. The AASL recognizes learning as an ongoing endeavor that should not be contained to just the school or the library. Beyond research, our district provides opportunities to our students, families, teachers, and staff. We provide a friendly atmosphere which fosters a love of reading and encourages inquiry through the implementation of our collections and resources. Elementary schools enjoy and look forward to their weekly library visits. Middle school students elect to choose the library as a place to study instead of the study hall room, and high school students gather each morning in the library before their day begins. Students come to ask for assistance, request new materials and books, and share their thoughts with our LMC staff daily. This is why we need our school library to be supported and well-funded. It is why our schools need trained and passionate librarians and assistants to promote a culture of literacy and to help train our staff and students with the skills they need to be 21st century learners and leaders. Through literacy, inquiry, access, and collection development while providing an appropriate, safe, and healthy environment, the Library Media Center is striving to prepare today's readers to become tomorrow's leaders. Thank you for allowing me to share our library media program with you, our school board members.